The two most prolific teams in hockey square off tonight. The Tampa Bay Lightning, the top scoring team in the NHL and winners of 5 in a row, host the Colorado Avalanche, the most productive team in the Western Conference, as with 8 victories out of their last 10 on the road and looking to improve that record against the Bolts. Leading it for Stamkos. In front to Palat, shooting save by Varlamov, rebound cleared by Tyson Barrie and driven right on goal by Mikhail Sergachev as it angled right to him. Encountering each other there, and Johnson able to get it to Nieto. Couldn't get it by Hedman. Now to Kucherov, walks it in, feeds it across. They score! Stamkos, sharp angle, 1-0 Lightning.
Look at everybody come over. Kucherov, take one more step towards me, and then what's going to happen is Stamkos is going to find that seam. There it is. He's not even looking. He doesn't have to. His peripheral vision is so good. Right on the tape to Stamkos, and Stamkos doesn't miss those.
Shot is tipped over the net, comes down to Miller. JT back to the point, and it's Sergachev rifling that one. A glove save by Varlamov.
Varlamov's had a real good season for Colorado so far.
And Draghetto turns away from that hit. Kamenev cuts in. Dropping it back through Cole and Stamkos. And alone on Varlamov. Fakes. Scores! The captain has them both. It's 2-0.
Defense corps want to get up on the play when they think they see a chance. Well, Colorado doesn't, and they forget that 91 is still behind him. You're not going to catch him when he has that much time in a room. How about that sell on the fake shot? Just enough to freeze him for a second, and then the move is outstanding.
Fedorov, ex-Buffalo Sabre first-round pick. Landeskog in the zone. Down to McKinnon. Down the corner. He scores! He fires it through Domingue. Nathan McKinnon answers back for the Avalanche. It's 2-1 Lightning.
Oh, this is one of the things that McKinnon does so well. You watch his hands and the fake, and it makes it look like he's going to make a play into the middle of the ice. And then all of a sudden he changes his rhythm a little bit right here, and then he reloads. And Louis Domingue was frozen for a second. Watch him. See, he's looking in the middle of the ice. That's super slow-mo. You can see the 5-hole is open, and Louis Domingue doesn't go down quickly enough.
You can see pointing to that elbow area as Killorn's pass ends up on goal. Still loose. Varlamov reaching for it. He got it as the pass was intended for Miller. And it reached the goaltender, who was in scramble mode to find it and cover it. Well, he's out there with Girardi. His point wins the face-off, and it's fed to the defense. Kucherov back to Girardi, shooting save, they score! Johnson right there on the doorstep, and the Lightning back in front by 2.
Here comes Kucherov, gives it to Girardi, to Kucherov, back to Girardi, shot to the net right away. Johnson's right there, excellent movement. You got to win the face-off first. One touch, shoot, man at the net, rebound, thank you, reload.
Puck deflects to Cernak, and Rantanen steps in behind him. McKinnon's open, he shoots, saved by Domingue, and he hangs on to it.
And this is a huge save to set the tone by Louis Domingue of the Lightning. With 2 guys up and plays right at the net. They've been really good at that in this game.
Stamkos to Gord, in front, they score! Killorn put it home. Great passing makes it 4-1.
In the neutral zone, Colorado trying to get back organized again. A bit of a line change. Quick attack. Yanni Gord to Killorn, and there's another play right around the crease area. We saw 3 or 4 of those in the first period. We've seen 2 or 3 already here early in the second period, and this one pays off.
Their ice time was at a little under 5.5 minutes apiece. Here's Point shooting at a save off the handle of the stick there by Varlamov. In now to Kucherov. Coming off the bench, it's Hedman. Steps around 2 halves. And the play in front, tipped on goal by Joseph, and a save by Varlamov. What a stop there, and what passing. Pass back to Miller. Killorn open. He shoots, a save by Varlamov in traffic. He's got one player landing on top of him. That's Girardi. And the puck's still loose, no whistle. Finally, we get one. He ended up getting the winning goal. Sergachev, great move. Backhands it wide. Stamkos. And he's got Palat alone. Scores! Andre Palat can celebrate his first goal. He makes it 5-1.
Started with Sergachev with a beautiful move, and then his backhand just goes wide. But then watch everybody overcorrect for Colorado. Steven Stamkos, who was right on top of his game, and Palat just being patient away from the flow, steps in, goes, here I am. Stamkos puts it right on the tape. He controls it and makes this a 5-1 game.
And Varlamov's night is done. Philip Grubauer is getting ready to come in. He was in goal for the win against the Panthers. Long pass ahead for Cirelli as Miller found him. Barry up the boards, Coburn there, shooting save, they score! Cirelli puts home the rebound. 6-1.
Relentless on the puck. Really smart on how he forechecks. Look at what a nuisance he is. And then goes right to the front of the net. He just does everything the right way. He goes where he's supposed to go.
Well, that's great news, and Anton Stralman back on the ice as well. Here's a pass, Kucherov cutting in, save made there by Grubauer. Boy, he's faced a couple of really tough ones here. This coming in, of course, doesn't get the warm-up. Landeskog, hounded by Cirelli, forced the turnover. Killorn knifes in, backhand. Grubauer stayed with him, made a terrific stop. Pass in front, taken away by Rantanen. Slipping it through to Calvert. Both those players brought in off free agency. There's a save by Domingue, in tight on Soderberg, and he gets a whistle. Tough tester there. Pass taken away by Callahan, knocked off his stick. Andrighetto saves it, shoots, save on a deflection as Kerfoot got a piece of it in front. Domingue made the stop. Leaving it for Sergachev. Over for Miller, steps in, now to Johnson, press crease, they score! Palat! All of a sudden he's got 2 and the Lightning have 7. Barry down low, batted in front, and the try by Kerfoot knocked down. Worked free in the slot. Cole shoots, a club save by Domingue. He gave him a little room, but he took that puck away on the shot by Ian Cole. Well, sellout crowd, 19,092. Lightning have hit 175 straight sellouts now. They're enjoying this as Kucherov gets it back. Fans on the shot as he worked with point, but it's Cernak. Amazing the passing they've had on display tonight. And the Lightning change he caught here. McKinnon shoots, glove saved by Domingue again. Shoveled back to the point. Girard with a shot that missed the target. Cirelli fires ahead. He knew he had Killorn. Killorn's alone. Cuts in. Slotted away by Grubauer.
Wow, now that was an aggressive, I wouldn't even call that a poke check by Grubauer. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen a goalie make a save quite like that on that attempted cutback move. Wow.
That was a get that out of here save.
Yeah, okay.
And there's the horn to end it. Coming in 5 seconds. And it's sent down the ice. We'll see this one come to an end, and the Tampa Bay Lightning win their 9th game in the last 10. They've won 6 in a row. Now the Lightning, last time they've won this many in a row, it was this time last year when they won 7 in a row to start the month of December. And they look to add to it against the Rangers on Monday night.